Okay, so we are all here now to know or to understand about which module?
FICO module. FICO.
SAP FICO
FICO.
module, right? A few fundamental points before we get into what is this. First point, we are all aware about SAP FICO, maybe from many years, correct or not?
Yeah.
Everybody would have heard about SAP FICO from many years ago, or is there anybody who is aware of it just recently?
Aware of it since long.
Right?
Yeah.
Quite a long time. You've been hearing about SAP FICO, or you have seen people learning SAP FICO, or you know people who are working on SAP FICO. In short, the main reason for you to get into SAP FICO now is what? What is your reason behind choosing SAP FICO now? Is it just to give a try, or is it to transform your career into consulting?
To transform my career into consultant.
Right? Most of you, not most of you, almost each of you would be planning to switch your career into SAP FICO if you are not on SAP FICO, or you wanted to have a better understanding, you wanted to make sure you will upgrade your skill set if you are already on SAP FICO. Anybody other than these two reasons? In simple word, is there anybody who wants to just give a try?
No.
Try your luck, check your luck. Let me see if it will work out for me or not. Anybody as such?
No, Ajay.
No.
Basically, FICO is the art in the SAP core models actually. So it is interacting with all the models actually. This is the only model to interact with all the models like SD, MM, etc. Yeah. This is the high
Correct.
demand model in the SAP.
Correct. Now, when we know that, we are all here to learn SAP FICO for our career perspective, right? Not to give a try, not to test or check your knowledge, or sorry, test your luck. Point number one, you need to understand SAP FICO then and SAP FICO now. Is it same SAP FICO the way it was before, the way it is now in the current market, or there are a lot of changes?
Yes, lot of changes in S4 HANA.
Lot of changes.
Right? There are a lot of changes in SAP FICO earlier and in SAP FICO now. The main point that you need to understand is these two. When I say the main point you need to understand between these two, it is to make sure you will have a clear mindset when you're learning SAP. Otherwise, you may be running behind different things which will manipulate you, which will misguide you, which will not give you right knowledge, right skill set that you need to hold in the current market. First point. When I say first point, look at AI. What is the meaning of AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
Right? AI is all about artificial intelligence. Now, if you talk about artificial intelligence, is it new in the market or is it old in the market?
New.
This is new in the market. Now, this artificial intelligence is applicable for SAP FICO then or SAP FICO now.
SAP FICO now.
This artificial intelligence or AI is applicable for the current SAP FICO. Now, can you tell me one or two artificial intelligence platforms?
ChatGPT, Gemini.
Right? You have ChatGPT, you have Gemini, you have,
Lord,
sorry,
Prompting also is it? Prompting.
Claude is now very popular.
Cod.
No,
Next,
CLA
Lord,
UDE.
PLAU, perplexity.
CLA,
UDE.
Claude. Okay. Next,
Grok.
spell
GROKE.
Grok. And then you have Copilot,
Pilot.
Perplexity.
right? Meaning you have a lot of AI tools available in the market. Now, using any of the AI tool, whatever we listed a few, can you not learn SAP FICO? Can you not know details about SAP FICO or anything that you'd like to know? Possible or not?
Possible.
Right? This AI tool will ensure that information is on your fingertips, correct or not?
Correct.
This will only make sure information on your fingertip, meaning with a device. Agree or not?
Agree.
To get the information, you need a device, and this device is not enough. Device must be connected to what? For me to use any AI, I need a device. Is device alone enough, or device must be connected to something?
Connected to internet.
Device must be connected to internet. Assume that you are in a situation where you have a device, but situation number one, there is no internet. What is your situation? Confident or helpless?
Helpless.
Helpless. Helpless. Why you are helpless? Because there is no internet, right? The only reason is no internet. Correct or not?
Correct.
If there is no internet, you are becoming helpless. Literally helpless because you are dependent on these tools to get the information. Because whatever you are using, whatever you are getting with the help of Google, ChatGPT, whatever it is, that is not called as knowledge, that is called as information, right? Agree?
Yes.
If I ask you a
Yes, sir.
question, you give me an answer by Googling, by using any application, any platform that is available in online. You are getting the information from XYZ sources. So can I call it as your knowledge, your experience?
No.
No.
No, right? Then how you will get the knowledge? Only when you learn something, only when you understand something, only when you experience something. Correct or not?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, in the current market, everybody is aware. When I say everybody is aware, your friend who knows about SAP FICO, a person who doesn't know about SAP FICO, person who is working in SAP FICO, person who is not working in SAP FICO, HR in a company, employee in a company, manager in a company, client user, everybody is aware whether a person is having experience or not, whether a person is knowledge or not. Can you not easily guess or not?
Yes.
Right? For example, you go talk to somebody, can you not come to a conclusion whether this person is experienced or inexperienced, knowledge or no knowledge? Can you guess or not?
Yes.
Yes.
How?
By the way he'll talk, we can analyze.
right? Meaning you have some logic, using some logic or using your intelligence, you are going to decide, no, I think this person is an experienced person, or this person has got good amount of knowledge or skill set. Agree?
Agreed.
If you are able to decide, if you are able to come to a conclusion whether a person is experienced or not, knowledge or not in SAP FICO, just imagine in a company, a HR, in a company, an interviewer, in a company, your colleague, your client, your user, your manager, don't they come to know?
Yes.
Absolutely, they'll come to know.
Right? They will easily come to know,
If
meaning,
you're not able to navigate the application, definitely they'll come to know.
right. Here, what you need to know, you need to do, you need to make sure, know this reality at the beginning. Forget about whether you learn SAP FICO, you don't learn SAP FICO, no matter what you learn, what you do in the current market. Previously, there was no checkpoints. Previously, there was no validation points, right? Previously, for somebody to check, the other person must be knowledge, correct or not?
Absolutely.
Yes or no?
Yes.
If I say that I have knowledge in SAP FICO, to test my knowledge, to check my knowledge, to say that he is very good at SAP FICO, the other person must be better than me, correct or not?
Correct.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Otherwise, other person don't even know what I'm talking. So how will they conclude that what I'm talking is right or wrong? But now, is that the situation?
No.
A person who does not know anything about what I'm talking can also say he's talking good, he's not talking good, or he's talking nonsense. Agree or not?
Agreed.
Agreed. Yeah.
Agree.
Reason, you have information on your fingertip, right?
Yes.
You have a problem listening to me. What you do, open your device. You can let your device record what I'm talking and convert it, translate, tell you what it is, and also decide whether it is right or wrong. Correct or not?
Yes.
Correct.
Meaning, whatever you talk, whatever you perform, whatever knowledge, skill set that you hold now, is it going to be validated at every stage or not in the current market?
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
Now, previously, when you go to the market, meaning SAP FICO, then, if I wanted to get a job in SAP FICO, the first point was to give an interview, right?
Correct.
First point was to give an interview. At that time, a person used to take an interview, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes.
At that time, a person used to take an interview, but now, I don't know if you have heard AI interviews. Anybody heard AI interview?
Oh,
Yes,
no.
sir.
A
No, sir.
robot will take your interview now. When I say a robot, you would have heard about, if you call any service center or a customer care, you will get a automated voice assistant, right?
Yes.
Thank you for
Yes.
calling. For English, press 1. For Telugu, press 2. For Hindi, press 3, and so on. You are
Yes.
looking for payment queries, plus 1. Like that, it will tell you, right? Meaning you cannot bypass it. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 And same like that, you will have AI agent interviews. What interviews?
Yeah.
AI agent interview, meaning if you have been called for an interview, people are very smart now. I know that if I call people for an interview, many are coming. And from this many, so many are unskilled. Correct or not?
Yes.
From many,
Correct.
so many are unskilled. If I call for an interview, for example, 100 people are coming for SAP FICO, more than 50% are straightforward rejected because of skill set. Agree or not? Maybe because of experience, because of a skill set. You got my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, I
Yes,
don't have
sir.
that much time. So, what I'll do, I will simply arrange AI interview. What will I arrange?
AI interview.
When I will arrange AI interview, what I'm going to do, I will send you a link. What will I do?
Send a link.
I will send you a link. And this link is valid for 24 hours. How long?
24 hours.
24 hours. Click the link. You will have 30-minute interview taken by the AI agent. It will randomly ask some questions. It will give you some scenarios. Whatever question it is asking, you will see on your screen question displayed. In case if you have a problem in understanding what it is talking, you can read the question and then you have to talk to the robot. Talk to what?
Robot.
You have to talk to robot. Other than your answer, it will not listen anything, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you cannot tell any story to a robot. It will reject you, right? So
Yeah.
robot will strictly have to listen what is the right answer, relevant answer, or suitable answer to their question, because this robot has got some predefined answer with it or not,
Yeah, it's been already
right? This robot has got some predefined answer with some keywords. If your answer has got this predefined answer relevant content or the predefined keywords in it, only then robot will consider, yes, you are talking something relevant to my
Relevant.
question.
relevant to the question. Yeah.
So you cannot convince me. You can convince me because I'm a human, but you cannot convince a robot, right?
Yes.
Only your knowledge matters, nothing else. You can't fool a robot, you can't manipulate the robot. And there are different ways to manipulate everything. For every problem, there is a solution, right?
Yeah.
Right? For every problem, there is a solution. Now, let's say I am finding difficult in giving an interview to a robot. So what in the Google you go use, you get most appropriate, more suitable practice interviews through a robot for free. Yes, no,
Yes.
Mm. I never heard about it.
right? And you may be using the interview on a browser.
The new one I
You
kept
will
it for
get a
you. I
link,
used one.
click on it, it will open a browser, okay, and camera will be on. So you cannot manipulate. If you look this side, that side, up and down, it will tell, please look at me. Correct or not? Robot will literally tell you, please look at the camera,
Yeah. It's like a proctor.
right? And then what you need to do, you can simply open another tab on the browser. You know how to open multiple tabs on the browser, right? One browser, one Google Chrome, I can open 10, 20, 100 windows within it.
Yes.
You got my point? Open another browser. Whatever question is asked by the robot, you type it in the browser. You'll immediately get the answer on your browser displayed through ChatGPT or any AI.
Yes.
Problem solved,
Absolutely.
right? Meaning, you don't need to think that this is my problem. There is a solution to it. Because only after identifying a solution, problems are created, right? In the current market.
Right.
You got my point? Previously, when problem came to know, or when you got to know about problem, people used to think about a solution. Now, first they find a solution, and then for this solution, they create problem. Correct or not?
Correct.
Now, in the current market, first solution is created, and then problems are identified. It's a reverse direction now. So you don't need
Yes.
to worry about any problem, anything in the current market. Reason, you are now learning which module, planning to learn which module?
FICO HANA.
SAP FICO.
HANA. Oh.
Do you know how long it has been for SAP in the market? 50
Almost
years or less than 50 years?
less than
I
50,
50 years.
72.
So count. 50
50
70.
crossed
plus
or
years.
not?
Yeah.
Yes.
55.
So 50 plus, right? Let's not go to the exact number. We are not learning
50 plus.
mathematics.
Yeah.
50 plus, right?
Yes.
We are
50 plus.
learning something after its 50th anniversary? What is left for us to innovate?
Oh my God, we are so behind.
Correct? What is
Yeah.
there for you to innovate now, learn something new which nobody learnt before? Whatever problems are there, whatever issues are there, whatever strugglings are there, are already struggled, problems are already faced, difficulties are already experienced. For every problem, there is a ready-made solution now. That is why you have everything got or brought into AI, right?
Correct.
Imagine a robot can answer your question. You can see the level of simplification that people have done, right, on subject. You got my point?
Yes, Ajay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if a robot can give you whatever information that you want just by collecting data from XYZ source, your task is only to refine it. And this is something which is a little tricky task, right? You got my
Yeah.
point?
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier, to know something, you have only one or two sources, right?
Yes.
Either go learn from somebody or go
Google.
buy a book, read it. Agree or not?
Yes.
Yes, agree.
But now, if I wanted to get something, I give one prompt, I get 100 replies. Which one I should pick?
The most
Yes or
relevant.
no? And how do you decide that this is correct, this is not correct? I will follow this, I will not follow this. This is more dangerous, right? If you do not know how to use it,
Yeah.
you will easily be misguided, you will easily be manipulated if you do not know how to use AI. Now in the market, everything is AI based or not.
Yes.
It is.
Now in the market, everything is AI based. Plus, apart from all these artificial intelligences, which are third party, which are from external sources, SAP also has got their own AI, right?
Yeah.
What is that called?
SAP Joule.
SAP Joule.
Yes.
You have something called Joule. Anybody heard this?
No, hearing first
No.
time.
This is SAP's
No.
AI. This is SAP's AI,
Right.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Meaning, if you want something, you don't need to ask Google. You ask SAP Joule, it will tell you what you want. Go and ask SAP Joule, like, show me my ABC vendor outstanding. It will give you the output in seconds. It will tell you in seconds. Or anybody have, those who are working, you would have worked on Microsoft Teams, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You know that Microsoft Teams also has got AI. For
Yes.
example, I do not know who is the HR manager. I don't need to search, right? If I go give a prompt to Microsoft Teams, who is the HR manager for SAP department? It will tell you or not,
It will.
Yeah.
right? So if they add that AI linking or if they enable that AI, many things will work. Likewise, SAP has got their own AI called as SAP Joule. If you go to the market now, people will be expecting you to hold knowledge on all these areas. Traditional way of learning SAP FICO, traditional way of practicing SAP FICO is outdated in the current market. What happened?
Outdated.
Outdated. Go talk to anybody with that knowledge, with that skill set. You'll not get a job because everybody wants to automate, right? Things. Yes, no. That's what people are
Yes.
afraid of. Layoff, automations are coming. AI will
Absolutely.
replace the jobs. Anybody heard this
Uh-huh.
or not?
Yeah, many times.
There are many
Yes.
people who are getting scared
Yes.
about their jobs just because of two words AI.
Yeah.
Right? People are telling AI will replace your job. Why? Because AI is capable of doing anything provided you can train it. You can train, this is how you need to do it. AI will do it. Because AI cannot give me the reasons, right? Today I will be late to the office. Today's second half, I need to go early to the home. Tomorrow I will be on sick leave. There is a function, I need to go for a leave, vacation and all. AI will not give the reasons, right?
Right.
We both are colleagues, we do nice chit chatting. Instead of 8 hours, we work only 6 hours. Correct or not?
Correct.
But AI cannot do all these things, right?
Yeah, we have to give the instructions also to the AI to get the job done.
Right? Correct. Now, you need to make sure when all these things are happening in the market, when you're now deciding to learn SAP FICO, you have to be very careful. When I say you have to be very careful, you need to have knowledge, skill set, approach in such a way that your learning pattern, learning approach, skill set, knowledge, whatever you acquire is to be in line with the current market standards. To be very short, if you go to the market now, go give an interview to anyone, they should say that, okay, I will take you. They should not tell that, no, you need to improve. You do not know this, you do not know that. No, we are looking for somebody who has this, that, and all. Anybody came across it?
No.
People tell you, actually, we are looking for somebody with this skill set. They will tell this because you don't have it. They will never tell you don't have it. They will tell we are looking for these kind of people. So I'm sitting in front of you only, right? I'm talking to you, right? But why are you telling we're looking for somebody with this thing?
Because that is missing in me.
Correct. Because they're
Resume,
telling
yeah.
you indirectly,
Mhm.
you are not the one I'm looking for.
Right.
Not telling you on your face, right? You got my point or not?
Yes.
Yep.
Diplomatic
So you
answer.
need to, correct. You need to understand what is their intention. And then, because nobody will tell you on your face, I'm rejecting you, right?
That's why I think nowadays the LinkedIn is having that your resume is missing what is required in the job
Correct.
description.
So there are a lot of things in the market now to evaluate yourself. First point, if you want to get a job, you need to give an interview, right?
Correct.
To get a job, you need to give an interview. To give an interview, you need to apply somewhere, right?
Yes.
Or somebody has to give you a call that we are looking for a SAP FICO consultant. Are you looking out for a change? You will tell yes. Then what they'll tell? They ask you to share the resume.
Yeah.
You will be sharing your resume with them. Based on your resume, they will say, okay, if your profile gets shortlisted, I will call you back. Anybody heard this? If your profile gets shortlisted,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is what everybody will tell, right? If your profile gets shortlisted, or I will forward your profile to the client. If your profile gets shortlisted, I'll schedule your interview. Shortlisted meaning what? Are they going to take lottery? Put all the resumes in a box, pick one, and then give them a call for an interview? Yes, no? What is their point of shortlisting? Picking a lottery or
They will
what?
filter actually.
So they will filter based on your experience, based on your skill set, not by
Yes.
talking to you, but by looking at the resume that you have given, right?
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yep.
Now they will validate your resume, your experience, your skill set with their expectation requirement.
And I think in some places they do background check also, like if it's a genuine resume, if this candidate is
That is
already.
after getting the job. Because to do the background check and all, they need to invest money, right? They need to spend money. So if they conclude that yes, I am going to take you in my project, then they'll initiate the BGV, background verification. Some companies they do pre-BGV also at a
Yeah.
high level. Now, when somebody is scheduling your interview, shortlisting your profile, meaning they have a requirement with them, right? What kind of a candidate they are looking for.
Yes.
They just don't want somebody with a tag called SAP FICO consultant. If that is the case, first come, first serve, you will get the job, right? Correct or not?
Correct.
If anybody who has a tag called SAP FICO consultant, you will get a job. But that is not the situation in the market, right?
Uh-uh.
Meaning people are not proceeding with the tagline. There was a situation where if you tell that I know SAP FICO, you got the job. This situation was also there in SAP once upon a time, but not now. There was a situation even during the COVID, this situation was live. Anybody is aware?
Yes.
During the COVID, if you tell I know SAP FICO, if you can talk few lines of SAP FICO, you got the job. During the COVID, couple of years ago. This was active market situation. But once their requirement is over, all these people were laid off. That's a different story. But at least they got the job, right?
Yeah.
Those who were able to utilize in a right way, proper way, gained knowledge, skill set, upgraded themselves within that
Upgraded
duration,
themselves, yep.
they survived. But those who didn't
Surviving, yep.
utilize it, they lost the job later on. That's a different story. Meaning you do not know how you will get the opportunity, from where you will get the opportunity. All you need to do is get the knowledge in such a way that you are ready to get a job, right? With your skill set, with your knowledge. You got my point?
Yeah.
And your preparation, your practice must be according to current market requirement,
Situation, yeah.
according to current market requirement or situation. Simply, I want to learn SAP FICO. This is the course content of SAP FICO. Let me start sitting by it. You will never get up. You will be sitting only. You'll never get up. Because to get up, you need support, right? Yes or no? That support
Yes.
is always your knowledge. If you don't have that knowledge support, you cannot get up and you cannot stand up. You never know when you will fall. And when you fall, you'll never get up again. Now, looking at these points, if you look at SAP FICO, then it is only SAP ECC, right?
Correct.
Agree? Now, if you talk about SAP FICO, it is not just SAP ECC. It is ECC and
HANA.
SAP S4 HANA on-premise, private cloud,
Public
and
cloud.
Public cloud.
now it's not just SAP FICO, right? Will you be okay if you get a call from somebody stating that we are actually looking for a FICO consultant? Are you looking out for a job change? Obviously, you will tell yes, right? Because you want a job now after training. Yes, no?
Yes.
They'll ask
Yep.
you, have you worked on S4 HANA? If you tell no, I worked on actually only in ECC. Do you think they will consider you?
No.
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 But you learnt SAP FICO. Let's say you got a call again, but they told, have you worked on public cloud? You will tell no. Do you think they will consider you again?
No.
No, right? But you learnt SAP FICO. You practiced SAP FICO. Then why, though you learnt SAP FICO, though you practiced SAP FICO, for a simple one-word question, when you tell no, why are they dropping you?
Outdated.
You got your answer?
Outdated.
Correct. You learned SAP FICO, you practiced SAP FICO, you are trying for SAP FICO job, but with some simple questions. Have you worked on any end-to-end implementation? Your answer is no. You will not be taken forwarded, right?
Yes.
They'll ask you, have you worked on public cloud? You will tell no. Your profile will not move forward. They'll tell, did you work on S4 HANA? You will tell no. They might ask, have you worked on these things? You will tell no. With simple keywords, are they shortlisting a candidate or not? They're not asking any subject. They're asking simple checkpoints, right? Yes, no questions. One word
Yes.
answer questions.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And with this one word answer question, they are deciding whether you will fit or you will not fit. So this one word question is having high impact or not.
Yes, sir.
You need to consider all these points right from the beginning of your learning. Only then your mind will say that, no, I need to know this, I need to know this, right? Otherwise, your mind will tell SAP FICO meaning it's all about configuration. GL is there, AP is there, AR is there, asset is there, cash is there, bank is there. Let me practice this. I have all the configuration document. My friend shared me. I got it from LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you will get trending things called a cheat sheet, correct or not? One pager. Anybody saw these kind of a cheat sheets on
Yes.
LinkedIn? People will
Yes.
share
Yes, sir.
publicly. They
Yes,
will
sir.
share left and right. People share, but they do not know what is that. But they simply repost it, right? With a good intention only, but it will reach to the right person. But the person who repost it is a FICO person, but who do not read it, correct or not?
Correct.
When you read it, probably you may not repost it because you may find some mistakes in it. When you find some mistake in it, when you know that this is not the correct approach, this is not going to help you out, you may not be reposting it, right? Correct or not?
Correct.
People will share the documents, people will share the materials left and right. They will simply circulate. Their intention may be positive, somebody's intention may be negative. Somebody may be reposting it, sharing it only to get views, right? More comments,
Yeah,
more connections,
more connections. Yeah, definitely.
right? They do not know what is there in it. Then why are you sharing it? No, somebody shared me, I shared you. As good as like I will send you a nice greeting in WhatsApp. You will
Forwarded
forward it to
message.
your groups, right? That's not your content, right? You're not the author of it. You are circulating, it's okay for a good reason only, to spread the knowledge, to share knowledge. Before you share knowledge, first you get the knowledge, right? Then you share to others, correct or not?
Yes.
You got my point?
Yeah.
To share the knowledge, there are a lot of chat GPT and all, right? They'll pick and then get it if people wants.
It is right.
You want something, do you really go find, I think somebody shared this, let me search in LinkedIn? Do you go search like that, or you will simply go Google, ChatGPT, Copilot, all these things? For sharing a knowledge, for giving a knowledge, for giving information, there are many robots available in the market. So you don't become a robot. You first understand what is it, whether that is relevant or not. Then you decide, if you feel that yes, this is very good information, let me share it. That's a good initiative, you can share it. But when we do not read it, we should not share it, right? What if that's a wrong information? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And what if your friend is referring to it because you shared it? You never know, right? Somebody will take it seriously, right? Agree or not?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Because you're sharing it publicly. Let's say I am your friend. I saw that, okay, he shared something related to SAP FICO. Let me read it. Who knows? I will take a 1 day leave and then I will sit, read, practice it. No surprise, right?
Correct.
I will cancel my weekend plan. I will sit on practicing, reading it, going through it because you shared it. People trust you, right?
Yes.
Yes.
If you simply left and right share whatever coming in your feed, there is no use because of it,
We will lose credibility.
right? So you need to make sure share only if you feel it is genuine. Share only if you can give the answer to a cross question. If I simply see that you shared something, I saw you shared something related to FICO. Can you tell me what is it? Now, can you tell? I also don't know how bad it is. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
You shared me
Yes.
something. I say that no, actually, I didn't get time to go through it. Can you please tell me what is that all about? Will you feel comfortable telling? I also do not know. Somebody sent me, I sent you. Then what respect are you giving to the subject? Nothing, right?
Nothing. Irresponsible.
Right? See, somebody is telling you good morning, happy Valentine's Day, Merry Christmas, all this kind of thing. Eid Mubarak, you are forwarding this to all other groups. You're treating equal, right? A wish, a greeting, and the subject. No differentiation. Yes, no. Who knows? Because of your forwarded message, you may be sending 300-page document, which has got maybe some 20 MB, 30 MB, 50 MB. I am getting only 1 GB per day. So you're consuming my 10% data for no reason, right? Correct or not?
Correct.
Right.
Now, at the end, what I want you to know is realize that what matters when you go to the market. It is only your knowledge, right? Nothing else. Correct or not? It's only your knowledge that matters, nothing else. First point, in the interview, you need to talk or you need to search Google, ChatGPT and tell the answer.
Need to talk.
In the interview, you need to talk. And for you to talk, you have anything with you or you have nothing with you
We
to
have
assist,
something.
to help, to help.
Nothing.
Right.
Nothing.
To help, there is nothing. Only your mind can help you, only your knowledge can help you, only your
Skills
understanding
are
can
not
help you
sure.
to talk to an interviewer, to convince. Correct or not correct?
Correct.
When you know this is how you will get a job tomorrow, please put your effort to meet that standard. Today you do not know, you're simply Googling it, getting one-liner answer, but this one-liner, no interviewer will accept. Instead, they will ask you, this one-liner you got it from ChatGPT or Copilot.
Google.
They know that the way you are talking, your answer will reveal that it is not your knowledge. It is the information that you got from XYZ source. Agree or not?
Agreed.
Go talk to anybody. The way they talk, can you not figure out it is from their knowledge or it is from their information?
Yes.
If it is their knowledge, they will talk to you in a convincing way. If it is from their information, they will only pass the information. They do not know anything beyond that information, right?
Correct.
This every interviewer will figure out. In fact, you will also figure it out, right? Yes, no? When somebody is talking about a subject, can you not decide or can you not come to a conclusion that they are talking about, they're talking from their experience or their information? Can you figure it out or not?
Yes, we can.
At
Yes, you
this
can figure
moment,
it out. Yes.
you can easily figure it out, right? Then imagine a person who's taking interview. They would have taken many people interviews, right? Can't they
Yes.
decide? Can't they come to know just by talking to you for a few minutes? You're fit or unfit,
Yes.
suitable or not? Now, when you know your knowledge is tested and your skill set is identified within minutes now, they don't have to talk to 30 minute, 45 minute, 1 hour, not required. Few minutes are enough to decide whether you are fit or unfit. Correct or not?
Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
exactly.
When people are deciding within few minutes you are fit or unfit, just imagine the kind of effort that you have to put on the subject, kind of knowledge, understanding that you have to get on the subject. Something which is not a joke now, right? Correct or not?
Correct.
People think it's very simple, very easy to learn SAP FICO now. You're right. Learning is easy, but understanding is difficult, right? Because from our point of view, learning is all about reading, right? Whatever is there on the screen now, if you're able to read all these points and if you're able to tell me back, okay, all this, you learned it, okay. But people don't want you to read out. People want you to explain, right? You got my point? People want you to talk from your experience. Do you have that experience to talk? Yes, no?
Yes.
You may be having the knowledge, but you may not be having the experience, right? To convince.
Yes.
That is where you need to put in your effort. That is where you'll have to practice in such a way that when you talk to somebody, anyone who is on the other side will have to feel convinced, yes, this person has got good knowledge, good understanding, good experience. I don't care about his background, all this kind of thing. I need this candidate or I need this consultant in my project. It is your responsibility to give this confidence to the interviewer or not.
Yes.
It is your responsibility. Now, there are two things here. Point number one, you need to be confident. Agree or not?
Yes. Agreed.
But in the current market, your confidence will not give you job. In the current market, your confidence will not give you job. This doesn't meaning overconfidence will give the job. That will never give the job. Got it right?
Good.
Just confidence will not give. Now, you're not going to do a one-man show in interview, right? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
right. Right.
In the interview, along with you, there may be one interviewer or there may be two interviewers. Correct or not?
There will be a panel.
Right.
Right? This
Mhm.
panel or this interview members will have to feel confident about you. So it's your responsibility to make them feel confident. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you can make the interviewer feel confident, only then you will get the job. Not about your confidence now. Outdated. Your confidence is outdated. You need to make sure your interviewer is feeling confident with your knowledge, with your experience. Got it or not?
Good.
Yes. Got it.
You being confident is very easy, but you making other person feel confident is a tricky task, right?
Yeah.
Because you need to be very careful on the way you talk, the way you communicate, the way you convince, the way you quote the examples and all. You have to be very selective. Any mistake will cost you the job, right or wrong.
Right.
Any mistake will straight away you will sacrifice, you will compromise on the job. In the market, getting an interview call is a big deal, right? Big task. In the current market, getting an interview call, all these things are a big deal now, big task now, because
Yes.
of the high demand, high competition. Now, when you get an opportunity, you don't want to lose it just because of simple mistakes, right?
Mm.
And all the mistakes, whatever we make, are the simple, silly, fundamental mistakes, which nobody will tolerate. You got my point?
Yes.
Mistakes that you make in the interview are fundamental mistakes which nobody will tolerate. If you know that this was my mistake, for sure, that day you don't want to eat food, that day you don't want to sleep. Am I correct or not? Those who experienced will realize it.
Absolutely.
You don't even want to have food because how I made this mistake, how I did not know this, why I did
The
not talk
guilt.
this,
Yeah, the guilty feeling.
right? Because
Yes.
if it is a okay, it's a tough task, very tough question, I don't know this, how will I answer it? Okay, fair enough. It's a very simple thing, very basic thing. I did not even tell this. How will anybody take me? This will give you a regret, guilt feel or not,
Remorse. Yeah.
right? You will feel that unnecessarily I spoiled. If I talked to this, no, at least if I explained, tried something, I would have got job. This feel you should never get it. And I don't want you to realize these points after giving interviews, after losing the job opportunities. If you realize it, will there be any benefit of it?
No.
It will make you feel lower, right? And for you to come out from that situation, it takes time. And during that time, you will keep subject aside. You will not talk to anybody. You will be depressed, upset. Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Consequences, benefits out of it,
No.
right? So you need to make sure all these things that you're going to face, experience when you go to the market, bring it at the beginning when you are in a situation to decide whether to get in or not. Otherwise, you will think that it's very easy. I can go learn FICO. I have Google, ChatGPT, YouTube, LinkedIn, all this kind of a thing. If it is so simple, very fundamental question. Everybody is aware of Udemy, right?
Yeah.
In Udemy, you will get SAP FICO full course. Agree or not?
Agreed.
For how long? Starting from 300 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees? Yes, no?
Yes.
Go check. Cost of SAP complete training videos. 299 rupees, 499 rupees with 1 rupee discount. You can go buy a candy for yourself. Right or wrong?
Right.
If it is so precious, if it is so this one, why are they selling for 500 rupees? Correct or not correct?
Correct.
Right.
Why are they selling it for 500 rupees? If you get course for 500 rupees, why people are looking for pirated classes? What classes?
Pirated.
Pirated. You don't want to, you want to watch movie in theater, or you want to watch movie in piracy,
Theater.
right? People are pirating the movies. People are also pirating classes. You have to get it, the knowledge, in a direct route, right? Not in an indirect route. Correct or not?
Correct.
See, your honesty is revealed the way you are approaching to the subject, right?
Right.
See, I wanted to get knowledge. If I am ready to pay to my tutor, whoever it is, whatever it is, so I am being honest in my learning, right? Correct or not?
Yes. Yes.
Then you will get the knowledge. Now I wanted to, pair up with somebody or buy pirated. I wanted to buy pirated videos by, XYZ sources. That is where your honesty is revealed, right? How honest, how sincere, serious you are about the learning. Agree or not?
Agreed.
You'll get to know what is your mindset towards the learning. What respect are you giving to the subject, knowledge? Tomorrow, the same knowledge has to give you the job. Tomorrow, same knowledge has to make you make money, right? Agree or not?
Yes. Yes.
And to that knowledge, what respect are we giving? You want to buy it in a second hand, discounted price, get it for free. And after getting it, and you want this knowledge to get you more job, more calls, more salary. This is where you're doing injustice to the subject, right? Knowledge, right?
Yes.
You got my point? There are people like that in the market. And these kind of people will not get the knowledge. Because when it comes to knowledge, your honesty matters, right? Your sincerity, your effort, your dedication matters. If you don't prove that, that's it. You will decide, okay. See, it is a question that you need to put to yourself, right? Correct or no?
Correct, sir.
How sincere, how honest I am in my learning towards my career. I don't think nobody is in a situation where you will have to come to a stage where you need to go for a pirated. Agree or not? I don't
Agreed.
think. I don't think. Maybe 0.000. If you find maybe 1,000. I don't even think you will find one person. I'm talking only about SAP FICO. Out of 1,000, not even one person you will find that this person, yes, genuinely he needs pirated content. He cannot afford. I don't think you'll find anybody. Okay, that is one point. One point meaning you need to make sure you give respect to the knowledge subject. Then it will come to you. And when you go to the market, people are looking at your knowledge, your subject, right?
Mm.
In the current market, knowledge matters. See, whatever you tell, I can get it from Google, YouTube, ChatGPT, all these sources, right? Correct or not?
Yes.
See, if I feel that whatever you're telling is what I can get from YouTube, Google, ChatGPT, and all, I better prefer a fresher with less salary by making the fresher write 3-year bond. Correct or not?
Correct.
But why I am behind an experienced candidate? Because I need a consultant, right? I need what?
Consultant.
I need a consultant. Now, consultant will have to talk. What consultant will have to do?
Have to talk.
Consultant will have to talk. That's the primary skill set of a consultant. You need to talk. Take a simple example. You have visited a doctor for a consultation. Correct or not?
Correct.
Yes.
You visit a doctor for a consultation because you're getting severe headache. And you're getting the headache from last 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month, and you visited a doctor. Doctor will tell, okay, tell me what is your problem. I will tell I'm getting headache from last 1 week or 2 week or 1 month. I am the doctor. Okay, I will simply tell, okay, take this medicine afternoon and dinner time. After having your meal, wait for 30 minutes, take this tablet, do it for 1 week. If it is not reduced, come again. Thank you so much. Will you be happy?
No.
You will realize this I could have got it from a medical store also, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
If I could have gone to a medical store, I would have told that I'm getting headache from last 2 weeks or 1 week or 1 month. This guy also will give you the same medicine just by asking 1 or 2 questions, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Then what is the point? I paid the consultation fee 500 rupee, took the appointment, came all the way from this location to this location. You just spent 5 minutes and then you told, okay, go use this medicine. No matter you gave the best medicine, if I use not 1 week, 3 days, my headache is gone. But what is my impression? What is my opinion? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Right? So as a doctor, whether I cure your headache or not, but I need to talk to you for some time, right? I need to ask you
Yes.
questions. From when you're getting headache? So you had anything? Are you sleeping properly? What is your daily routine? Are you working? Are you a night shift, day shift? Are you watching movies? Right? Do you have this symptoms sometimes before? If I ask you different kind of questions to collect the information, you feel comfortable, right?
Yeah.
After that, even if I give you simply normal medical store medicine also, you feel comfortable because you think that whatever medicine I have given is considering all your points, right?
Yes.
If I simply give you, no matter, I'm very expert, just by looking at your head, I will give you headache tablet. You'll not be convinced, right? Correct or not? Because you spent money. Agree or not?
Agreed.
Correct.
You
Agree.
didn't come to a medical store, right? You came to the hospital. You paid for the consultation. You were in the waiting line. You traveled all the way. You spent for fuel and all. And you at least expect me to talk and hear about your problem, what you're facing. Agree or not?
Agreed.
This cannot be done by a fresher. This cannot be done by a fresher. This can only be done by an experienced candidate. Who can do it?
Experienced candidate.
Experienced candidate. If you go check in the market. Everywhere you will find most of the opportunities are for SAP FICO experienced consultants. Yes or no?
Yes, at
Yes.
least they are mentioning 4 to 5 years experience.
Right? 3 year, 4 year, 5 year is
Yes,
what
yes.
they quote. Why?
Yeah.
Because consulting is a business. What is consulting?
Business.
It's a business.
Consulting is a business. And you think that you are going to become a FICO consultant tomorrow. Let's say that I go give interview and I got selected for Deloitte. Where I got selected?
Deloitte.
Deloitte. Now I am a SAP FICO consultant in Deloitte. In Deloitte, I will not be working for Deloitte, right? I will be working representing Deloitte to Deloitte clients.
Yes.
Yes. Third
Let's say
party.
Deloitte has got a client called as Pepsi, or Deloitte has got a client called Apple. Maybe I will be going to Deloitte office every day, but I will be working for Pepsi client or Apple client or
Apple
any
client.
XYZ client. Correct or
Yes.
not?
Yes, correct.
Now Deloitte will have to represent me to their client, saying that he or she is our FICO consultant
Representative.
who worked in our previous project. He is very good at this, that, because they have to sell you to their client, right?
Yes.
Deloitte is buying you and Deloitte is selling you. Correct or not?
Correct.
Yes.
Any company is buying you for 100 rupees and selling you for 200 rupees to their client. So 100 is their profit.
Yeah.
You are a product to a
Yes.
company. You are a revenue
Product.
maker to a company. When you get a salary, we all talk about CTC. Correct or not? What's your current CTC? Expected CTC? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the CTC meaning?
Cost to the company.
You are a cost to a company, right? Correct or not?
Correct.
Yes.
You are a cost to the company. Company will make revenue from you only when they put you in a project. They will put you in a project only when you have experience, only when you have knowledge.
Knowledge.
Otherwise, they will put you on a bench. Agree or not? Correct
Agree.
or not?
Correct.
Correct.
If you do not know all these points, if you will simply come, let's go start the boat, where? You'll not understand what I'm going to do. You'll not understand what you're going to do in the market when you go tomorrow, right?
Yes.
You need to understand the different points. Only then it is easy for you to come to a decision. Yes, this will suit me, or I will suit SAP, or SAP will not suit me, or I will not suit to SAP. You have to match it, right? Just because my friend told to try SAP FICO, don't try this. First check whether your friend is doing SAP or not. Sometimes you will get suggestion from people who are not working on it. Correct or not?
Correct.
Just by listening to somebody's word, don't get into it. Put your research. Put your research. Try to talk to different people. Get the information from many sources, not just one source, and then come to a decision. Because you are taking a decision at a stage where you are not a fresher. Correct or not?
Correct.
None of us are freshers, I hope. Correct or not? Everybody is
Yes.
inexperienced.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
If you're all experienced candidates, not a fresher, you must be self-sufficient to take a decision. Don't depend on others. When you depend on others, who knows, somebody will simply tell, go, very good, it's very good. Because they are waiting to laugh tomorrow when you fail here. Agree or not?
Agreed.
Who knows? You think and you decide, you get to know the information. You're not going for a shopping to call your friend, come tell which color suits me and all, right?
Yes.
Correct or not correct?
Correct.
You are going to build your career. When it comes to a career, you have to be selfish. You need to what?
Selfish.
You have to be selfish.
Very
Do a lot of
selfish.
work. You have to be very selfish. See, simple
Yes.
example. If we both are friends, we both are studying something. Tomorrow is our exam. Morning, I will tell, okay, come, let's meet No, we'll sleep for some time so that tomorrow we'll not get, sleep in the exam. And then evening again you will sleep. The whole night I will wake up and then study. Correct or not?
Correct.
You wanted to study in the morning, but I made you sleep in the morning because I have my strategy, right? I have to win over you.
Right.
I wanted to prove that, see, I got very good marks. I have to show my proud. I have to show my, win against you, right?
Hidden competition.
Right? No, I don't want you also to win along with me. Instead, I want to show my win against you. This is what majority happens. Agree or not?
Agreed.
Yeah, it's
All our
backstabbing
friends
your
will
old
tell,
friend.
right? So all our friends in our academics will tell, no, I don't know anything. I did not prepare. Pakka, I will fail. That person will not even lift their head in the exam. Additional sheet, I don't know what he writes, but he keeps on writing, right?
Right.
I'm just looking everywhere in the examination hall, scanning it like I am the invigilator. Who is doing what? Correct or not?
Correct.
These things will happen because we are no longer a fresher. We are all matured, experienced enough to take care of our career. Something would have triggered your mind, which resulted you looking for a training, you looking for switching the career at this stage. Agree or not?
Agreed.
And you need to make sure the decision, whatever you take, effort, whatever you put, should be meaningful, should be strict, and should be sincere. Only then you will get the result. Otherwise, you'll not get the result. Meaning, there is no point of any training at this stage if the intention is only to get the knowledge. If the intention is only to get the knowledge, no need to get any training. You can simply get it for 500 rupee Udemy training, or go use Google, ChatGPT, YouTube. You get a lot of free content, and you even get piracy content also. You can get it from there. But if you are serious about making a career, gaining the knowledge, getting a job, then you have to be serious. You have to be sincere. You have to be serious. There is no other shortcut to it. Am I clear for everyone?
Yes.
There is no
Yes.
shortcut to it.
Yes.
There is no shortcut. I cannot create any shortcut because there is no way I can create it. Your effort matters. Tomorrow you need to go talk to the interviewer. Tomorrow you need to get the job, you need to perform, you need to talk to your client, user, colleague, manager. Agree or not?
Agreed.
See, it's kind of, if you get a job, maybe somehow you got the job, you go to a company, you would have all heard about politics, right?
Yes. Quite common.
Right?
Yes.
All
Yep.
politics you'll get in the company also. If you're becoming SAP consultant, meaning you're not entering a Cloud9. You're entering the same, just that we are changing the route. That's it. Now, when somebody joins in any project as a consultant, any module, everybody will put their, third eye on you. The way you talk, the way you behave, the way you work, everybody is watching you. But unfortunately, many are not aware of it. You will get caught red-handedly. You got my point?
Yeah. They're all
Everybody,
spying on you.
right? Everybody will do spy on you. You will come late today. Maybe 8 o'clock is my login time. I came at 8:14 today. Maybe because it's raining outside. The moment I came, somebody will text my manager, okay, Ajay came at 8:14 today. Yes.
Yes.
In some projects, you will have people whose work, whose assignment is only this. Who is coming at what time? Who is talking with whom? What discussion is going on in group discussions? This is what somebody will do. Just because of this, their job is safe. Correct or not?
Correct.
In
Absolutely, I
every
agree.
company, these things are there. Their task is only this. So you cannot trust anybody. You cannot reveal any secret of yours to anybody. Nobody is your friend. When it is a company, when you're in a job, everybody is a stranger to you. As you
Everybody's
Competitor.
your
know, to a
enemy.
stranger, you will
Competitor.
not reveal your secrets. Not competitor.
Enemy.
Stranger.
Okay.
You'll not reveal anything of your information to a stranger, correct or not?
Correct.
Competitor is a still known person to you, right?
Correct.
Agree or not?
Agreed.
One fine day, your competitor will come. If we both are competing, we're doing this. What if we both join our hand? We will do wonders.
Merger.
Then they will make you do blunder by using wonder. Correct or not? Right? They say that let's do wonders, then they'll make you do blunders. You'll be out of
Can't
the
blame
company.
you.
These things will happen. You need to make sure, you have to be very careful. You cannot trust anybody. See, simple example, if I say that you joined my company, I'm already working in the company as a FICO consultant. I see that, yes, you have, I will try to, use nice sugar coated words to pamper you or, to take you to a cloud nine. You have just 4 years of experience, your knowledge is massive. I'm impressed with your knowledge, your skill set and all. Obviously, you feel proud or you feel happy, correct or not? My
Yeah.
colleague is appreciating me. But they
Yeah,
will
you're on
tell
the
that
cloud
actually,
nine.
yeah, actually, my cousin is there, my friend is there, who is actually, planning to learn SAP FICO. You know anybody where I can join them to get knowledge like you? You are now again 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and then, correct or not?
Yes.
You will tell, yes, I know a good, very good
Part.
trainer. You can join them. Can you please find out, yes, when the next batch is going to start? No, no, no. Next batch is starting now only. I just completed my training there. Gone. You revealed, right?
Yes.
In the flow, you revealed that you are that X person trained candidate. You just completed the training.
So you are a
Got my
fake.
point?
Yes.
Yes.
You
People
proved you are a
catch
fake.
you. People catch you in different ways. They talk to you nicely just to get information from you. Nothing much. Only to get information from you, they talk to you sweet. This doesn't mean you reveal everything. Understood or not?
Understood.
If you do not
Yeah.
know all these points, no point of your training, no point of your knowledge. There is no point that I train you if I don't tell you all this. You're not here to only to know the configuration, right?
Yep.
I'm not here to tell you history of SAP. It will not give you job. Tomorrow you go attend 100 interviews. I bet 100 out of 100, nobody will ask history of SAP. Is anybody aware of it?
Yes.
Nobody even asks you full form of SAP. Anybody is aware or not aware?
Yes.
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 Nobody even asks you, tell me the full form of SAP. Because,
Sorry to interrupt you.
yes,
Sir, in this course, you are covering FI and CO also, no?
both will be
Sir,
covered.
one
That I'll
more.
add. I'll explain in the coming sessions what and all we will understand. Now I'm talking in such a way that those who are only for checking time pass, I don't want them. I want those who are serious. I want those who are sure about learning SAP FICO. I want those who are ready to face the challenges. This is not going to be a smooth journey. I have to tell you, right? I can't tell you that come, I will be there, don't worry. No, I can't tell you that. If that is the case, if that is the case, everybody is a FICO consultant in the market. Is that the situation?
No.
No, right?
No.
That is the case, you will have to be in the waiting list to join any FICO training in any institute. Is that the situation?
No.
No.
If that is the case, you will never get full FICO training for 500 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because everybody knows, even if you have everything with you regarding SAP FICO, you will not get a job because it is a skill. It is a skill, and this skill you have to master it. For that, you need a different level of training, different level of approach, right?
Yes.
Because you have to get the consulting skill set. not FICO content. You need to get consulting skill set. As I told, if you go to a doctor, they will simply see, give the prescription, come after 1 week. Okay, he did his job, but you are not satisfied, right?
Yes.
That shouldn't be the case. And you need to make sure, not just you being confident, make the interviewer feel confident about you. Only then you will get a job. So to feel ourselves confident, it's okay. You can do it. But when it comes to you making other person feel confident, is it a small task, simple task?
No,
No.
No, right?
Not
not
task.
at all.
That is what is the current market requirement. At the end of the day, your task is to make sure you are not going to give job to somebody, right? You are seeking a job. Agree or not?
Agreed.
Yes.
People can throw you anytime. You are dependent there. Agree or not?
Yes.
When you know that you are a dependent on the job, please work according to the job, according to the situation, according to the requirement. Only then you will survive. If you feel I am the ruler, no, then they will roll you out. Got it right?
Mm-hmm.
If you know these points, then you will have that seriousness, right? Okay, this is all will happen in the market. You also need to check, you also need to see what is happening in the current market. Many people are losing jobs.
Yes.
You hear this company, that company laying off 5,000 employees, 3,000 employees after, being introducing automations, AI and all. Talk to people. Now you want to get into SAP FICO, right?
Mm-hmm.
You need to talk to people who are related to SAP FICO. Yes or no? Not to
Yes.
anybody. You go talk to anybody, I want to learn SAP FICO, will it be okay?
Not
The other person doesn't even know what is SAP FICO. Other person is not a FICO consultant. Other person has no knowledge, experience about FICO. You're talking to somebody who is not a right person to guide or tell you, right? To do
right.
something or not.
Yes.
Obviously, we talk to our friends. If your friend is in SAP FICO, if your friend has got good intention to help you out, it's okay. But sometimes your friend is in SAP, but he doesn't have any intention you getting into SAP. Not okay, right?
Yeah, they don't want the competitors.
Right? So who knows? You can't trust anybody. End of the day, it's your career. You have to take care. You can't blindly trust anybody, including me. Don't trust me also. Validate, verify what I'm talking to you. Got it? I'm telling not to trust me also. Verify. Only then come to a conclusion. Yes, I heard these points. Let me verify. Then you will know the reality. Go Google it. Go talk to somebody. Go inquire. Then you'll realize the fact. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then decide. Okay, this is what is happening in the market. SAP ECC will be officially outdated from
2027.
till 2027. ECC will be valid. From 1st January 2028, no more ECC. SAP will not support ECC from 28 onward. Correct or not?
Correct.
So it's all about SAP Cloud. All about what?
SAP Cloud.
SAP Cloud. Cloud meaning only two: private cloud, public cloud. You need to hold knowledge on these two things: private cloud, public cloud. Cloud meaning what? All on the go. Agree or not?
Agree.
Cloud meaning what? On the go. Use it remotely. Meaning, if you go to SAP like this, if you open SAP, if you log into the system, this is your GUI, right?
Yes.
This is your GUI. And if you're talking about any project in the market currently. All the projects majority ECC projects or S4 HANA projects
ECC.
in the market. Whatever projects that are
S/4HANA.
happening now, S4, not ECC. SAP stopped
S/4.
selling ECC licenses. It's only
Yeah.
S4. If you wanted to buy SAP,
S/4HANA,
S4 only.
yeah.
Yes, for HANA.
Right? It's all about S4 HANA. No more ECC. ECC is going to be ended by next year end.
Yes.
So S4 HANA meaning every user will be working on GUI or Fiori.
What is
S4 HANA
GUI?
meaning this is GUI. This is SAP app. This is called as your GUI. If I want to use it, yes, I need to have this application installed on my desktop. If I have two laptops, for example, this is my first laptop, I have another laptop. This icon is installed only on one laptop. On the second laptop, this icon is not installed. Can I use two laptops for working on SAP now or only one?
I think only one.
Only one, right?
Yes.
Because if this is not installed, this is not what?
It's a
Installed.
login for the application, yeah.
Correct. If this is not installed, I cannot use it, right? Correct or not?
Yes.
So this must be installed. If this is installed, I can work only on that device. But this is outdated now. Outdated meaning users will not use it anymore. User will always go to SAP Fiori. If I go to Fiori, this is my Fiori. Now to open it, I don't need any application. All I require a system with an internet. What I require? I need a system, internet. I get that URL. The way I go to www.youtube.com, google.com, abc.com. Similarly, I will get a URL. This is the URL, right or wrong?
Yes.
You get a URL. Go copy that URL, paste it in any browser with an internet. This screen will work. SAP will work. Understood or not? That's your Fiori. In every project, every user will be working on Fiori. Where they'll work?
Fiori.
Fiori. This is your Fiori. This is your latest version of SAP, which is 2025. What is the version?
SAP 2025.
SAP 2025 latest version it is. And you need to understand all the latest features of SAP FICO. If you go to the market, you need to stand updated, right? This is where user will work. You would have heard about SAP cloud, public cloud, private cloud. Anybody heard about this private cloud, public cloud in SAP?
Yes.
Or something called as
Yes, sir.
rise with SAP. What is the other word?
Grow with SAP.
So it is
Grow with SAP. Rise with SAP is all about public or private?
Private.
Private.
It is a private one.
Private. Grow with SAP?
Public. Cloud.
Public.
This is public cloud. You must be aware of these terminologies also. So you are now telling you do not know, it's okay because you're on the day one. Go check these words. There are many even after different things. They may be completed their training, in training, working, different thing. They will also tell I do not know this. But now you're getting to know, right? Things that you should know only is what you have to know. Don't dump your mind with everything. Load it with the right content. so that tomorrow you will not face any problem. Otherwise, you need to work on repairing. What you need to work on? Repairing. Don't repair your knowledge. If you start repairing, you will end up repairing only whole life, because you start getting new doubts, right? Whether that is in that topic, is my knowledge understanding correct or not, I don't know. You start doubting yourself. That is very dangerous. Don't come to that situation. To avoid that situation, you have to have the patience. What you need to have?
Patience.
You need to have patience. Don't go, at a rush, understanding XYZ from XYZ source, content, website, and all. You will end up inviting problems for future, not now. Now you feel very happy. Tomorrow he will talk about this. Today I got all this information from ChatGPT, YouTube, Google, all this kind of thing. But you do not know what I'm going to talk to you tomorrow, what I will make you work tomorrow, right? How I will make you practice tomorrow. So your exploring today might create a confusion tomorrow, because I will not make you learn what is there on Google. I will not make you practice what you get it on ChatGPT or wherever. Whatever I make you practice is what you'll not get anywhere. I'll give you simple examples, practical scenarios where you will make your own scenario to practice. You got my point?
Yes.
I will give you example. With this example, you will go do the configuration, create the test data, see the result, and then come to a conclusion whether this is right or wrong. Point number one, when you're practicing, when you're learning, you will be all alone, right or wrong?
Right.
You will configure it, you will post some entries, you will do something, you will see a report, you will say that, okay, it is working fine. But what is the proof that what you did is correct? What is the proof? You did something is coming out. Okay. That doesn't mean it is correct, right? Agree or not?
Agreed.
How do you conclude? How do you decide that what you did is correct? Do you have anybody to come sit with you, validate what you have done? Tell whether it is right or wrong?
No one.
Or you will be all alone.
All alone.
That is again a dangerous journey. That's again a dangerous journey if you are not taking care. We call it, right? Half knowledge is more dangerous.
Yes.
So that is not half, that is quarter only. If half is only danger, imagine the quarter.
Even more danger.
Right? That is even more dangerous. You have done something, you do not know what you have done, but you have done it. But you don't know what you have done. That is how you will end up. Don't get into that situations. If this is a game where you can learn on your own, people will not be selling it for 500 rupees. Correct or not?
Absolutely.
People will not freely circulate all videos to you for free of cost. Correct or not?
Correct.
If that is the case, anybody can become a FICO consultant. You would have seen every accounting finance candidate is a FICO consultant. Nobody is working as an end user. Agree or not?
Correct.
Why people are not doing it? Because they experienced it. Every end user, if you see, most of them, more than 50% are SAP FICO dropouts. Are you aware of this? Many will tell, yes, I also learned SAP FICO some time back. Then why did you not get into FICO consulting? They will simply give a smile. Because during learning, they did not know the reality. Later, they got to know the reality, but when they know the reality, they have no time. You got my point, right? Because we're all with different other commitments or not. Day beginning till day ending, you are currently occupied with different works, or you are free like you're a student. Yes, no?
Occupied. Yeah.
occupied, right? You may be having your family commitments, office commitments, personal commitment. You're not a student anymore, right?
Yes.
Right? I will tell you something today, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. You will listen to me today. You feel motivated. Yes, I will do it. After the class, you may have to go to school to drop your kids, or you may have to attend a function. You'll have to go to office, some other personal things and all. You will forget what we did by tomorrow morning. It's a fresh mind again, correct or not?
Correct.
And considering these points, you cannot expect within 3 months you will take a U-turn. It takes time. You got my point?
Yes.
Be in the reality, not in imaginations. You know your commitments, right? You know your daily routine. Agree?
Great.
Considering all this, think, just by listening to 1 hour class, just by practicing 1 hour a day, will I be able to become a consultant in 3 months, 4 months? No, you will not. You have to give around 6 months of time, because when you go to the market, you need to represent, and represent like you are an experienced candidate, right?
Yes.
Easily 3 to 4 year experience. 3 to 4 year experience knowledge will not come in 3 to 4 months. Agree with me or not?
Agreed.
Only once you complete your training, you will get complete understanding on the subject. Then you need to practice again. Then you will have the proper understanding. Now it's all bits and pieces, right?
Yes.
Once we complete all the topics and all, then you will realize, okay, I think this is because of this. Who knows? Whatever I tell you on day 1 will connect to you on day 45. Whatever I tell you on day 20 will connect you on day 80. Correct? Possible or not?
Possible.
Day 20 you are blank. Day 80 you are clear. Oh, okay, this is because of this. Then you need to rebuild everything, reconstruct everything, restructure your understanding. That is when you understand FICO. But what people think, I am joining a FICO course now in July, 4 months course, July, August, September, October, or hardly November. By November ending, my training will complete. In December, companies will be standing in queue, trying to pick me. There will be nobody, right?
Yes.
You need to go to the market, go find the job. That's the reality. Be in that reality. You need to look for job. You need to search for job. Nobody will give you job assistance, job guarantee, job security. It's only your knowledge. It's only your skill. If you put your effort to build your knowledge, to build your skill now, tomorrow you don't need anybody's help to give any job. Otherwise, there are many services available in the market. If you are not getting any call, somebody will tell, I will refer you in some companies, interview will be scheduled, I'll forward your profile, they will charge money for it. Forget about
Backdoor.
somebody. You will get Monster, LinkedIn, Naukri charging to get you interview calls. Correct or not?
Correct.
Agree or not? Monster, if you make some payment, your profile will be forwarded in a different way that you will get calls. How many of you know this? Even in Naukri, anybody is aware or not?
Yeah, they'll highlight your resume.
Correct. They will highlight the resume, but this is a paid service, right?
Yeah.
They will charge some money, meaning to get interview calls also you need to pay money. Let's say you have the knowledge, but you are not able to speak. I'm not able to talk. I'm not able to convince the interviewer. For this, there is again a solution. There is something called a proxy interview, right?
Hmm.
Again, paid service. I got the job, but I don't have that knowledge. I'm not able to work. Again,
Job
paid
support.
support. Again, money.
Yes.
I can't do anything. Again, ready-made job. Pay some, 50% of your CTC. You will get a job. No need to do anything. Just sit, relax. Offer letter will be, sent instantly to your email ID. Correct or not?
Correct.
Why all these things are happening? Only one reason: you don't have the knowledge. Agree or not? For all the problems, only the root cause is your knowledge, your subject knowledge. Am I correct or not correct?
Correct, sir.
If you know the
Correct,
root
sir.
cause for all the problems, and if you try to fix this root cause, you will not face any problem. But you forget the root cause, you do whatever you want, you will get the same problem. This is the actual market reality. If you believe or you don't believe, this is the fact. You can go verify. You can go directly check. You will know the facts. Know the facts before you take a decision, before you get into SAP FICO. I don't mind whether you join. I don't mind if you don't join. It's okay. But I wanted to make sure I will not tell you stories to join me. I wanted to tell you reality. Then I want you to think and decide whether I should join SAP or I should not join SAP. My point is only to let you realize whether to join SAP FICO or not. You join with me, join with anybody else, I'm happy with it. At the end of the day, your career, your decision. I'm nobody to manipulate you. I'm nobody to influence you. Understood, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow you should not tell he manipulated me. He told me different things that I will become a consultant. I can talk to you in a different way where I'll take you cloud nine, which I don't want. Tomorrow you know the reality, right? Correct or not? I will hide the reality today. I will tell you all, sugar coated words. You feel very much happy, very much inspired, motivated. But tomorrow you will get to know the reality or not.
Yes.
When you know the reality tomorrow, I know how you will scold me. You know how you will scold me, right? That I
Yeah.
spoil your career. It's not about money what you are paying. It's all about trust. It's all about interest that you have on your career, right? And I have no right to play with your career. Agree or not?
Agreed.
If required, I will guide you, build your career. Otherwise, I will drop out. That's it. I don't want to take an advantage of your career. Come, don't worry, I will be there. No. You have to put your effort. That's why I want you to start researching, investigating, inquiring, knowing about SAP FICO. Then you decide where to join, how to join, whether to join or not to join. No, I'm not telling directly to join. I'm telling first inquire. Know about SAP FICO. If you feel you're serious about building a career, you're ready to work hard, you're ready to put in your effort, then please join. And first skill set in SAP, please have patience. Have what? Patience. This is not overnight journey. FICO will not happen overnight. This requires time, patience. You'll have to be in a position to give the time in a patient way. Then you will get the result. Don't expect 3-month course, 4-month course, 5th month I will be in job. May not be possible. Maximum it is not possible. I'm telling you in advance. Got it right? Because tomorrow this is what is going to happen. You're new to SAP. I'm not new to SAP, right? You got my point? You know what will happen today, tomorrow, but I know what will happen after 5 months. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I know what is going to happen after 5 months. Considering that, I'm telling you the points now. Because the way it was last year, the way it is now in SAP FICO, things are completely different. So you need to know the thing, you need to know the content in such a way that when you talk to somebody, you sound realistic, you sound experienced. Only then you will get a job, only then you will survive in the job. You have to update, you have to upgrade your skill set, your knowledge. Your thought process is what you have to change. If you want to come into SAP FICO, first thing you need to change your thought process. You need to think like a consultant and understand everything from a business point of view. From which point of view?
Business point of view.
Business point of view. Because if you think from a business point of view, you will know the reason. If you don't think from a business point of view, you will never know the reason. Got it right?
Good.
For example, we both are friends. We both are friends, and let's assume that I'm a diabetic. Who I am?
Diabetic.
I'm not, but I'm telling you an example.
Hmm.
I'm a diabetic. We both went out. Maybe we went to a movie or we went out. It's raining nicely outside. We thought, let's have tea. Okay, since I'm a diabetic, I should have tea without sugar, right?
Correct.
It's okay, have nice, it's very good. Nothing will happen. You think from my point of view. It will affect me, right? I will struggle.
Yes.
You need to understand why I'm telling you no to sugar tea. You have it, I don't mind. I don't have any problem. You have one regular tea, but please get me one sugarless tea without sugar. You can't tell me one time with the sugar what will happen, nothing will happen. Tomorrow I know the pain, right? You got my point?
Yes. Yes.
Likewise, when a user is giving a problem or when a client is telling their pain point requirement, think from their perspective. Tomorrow, they should not tell you, I already told you this is the requirement, this is my problem, this is where we're struggling. You told nothing will happen. Now see, give me the solution now. You are unnecessarily creating unwanted problems or not.
Yes.
Tomorrow, if my sugar got increased, I had to go to hospital, all this kind of thing. Suddenly, why this happened? Then I'll tell everybody, no, my friend, yesterday we went outside, it was raining, he get me tea. Why did you have? Why did you give? You know that he already would have told you, right? Why did you offer? No, I don't know. I thought it will be normal only. I'll not open up my entire problem to you, right? Correct or not? I'll only tell I don't want it.
Correct.
This is your maturity to understand and then act accordingly. Agree or not?
Agreed.
Similarly, you need to act, you need to work, you need to show the maturity in a project. That is exactly why people want experienced candidates for FICO consulting. You got my point now?
Yes.
This is something anybody can do it. Why people are looking for experience? Because experience will allow you to think. If you don't have experience, you will not think, right? You'll do it blindly.
Correct.
You got my point? That experience will allow you to think. That experience will allow you to have some patience, wait. That is the primary skill set. If you stick to it, if you try to build that skill set, you will survive when you go to the market. Otherwise, you will end up completing SAP FICO course. Target is not completing a course, right? Target is getting a job.
Yes.
Target is not getting a job. Target is surviving in the job, managing the job successfully without depending on anybody. Agree or not?
Right.
For that, you need to, because you're seeing your future, right? You're seeing your rest of the career in it, maybe for next 10, 20 years. Correct or not?
Correct.
To make sure for next 10 year, 5 year, 20 year, you want to have successful career without facing any problem. You need to have patience now. Because
Yes.
all of us are coming here after working for at least couple of years. Agree?
Agreed.
Those who are working surely are having minimum 1 or 2 year of experience, right? Even after having experience, you are coming here, meaning you need to understand. If you are working on something which doesn't suit your requirement, maybe job satisfaction point of view or monetary point of view, you will not be happy with it, right?
Yeah.
So whatever situation we are facing it today, when you are already having a job, you're trying to learn something, make sure the same situation will not come again. Got it?
Yes.
Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
you feel, yes, okay, this is one time learning that I'm making. Let me give sufficient time with serious interest and then dedication so that in my career, again, I will not need to get stuck somewhere where I need to go for training again. Later on, you need to be self-sufficient to get yourself trained on anything. Because now, as I told you, have many AI tools. Anything in you that you wanted to know, don't join any trainings again. Go use Google ChatGPT because you have that skill set now, right? That's what you are going to learn here.
Yes.
I'm not supposed to lead a dependency on me. I want you to make sure I will make you independent, not dependent on me. If there is a problem in your project, I want you to make sure you will feel confident that yes, I can handle it. Whether you know, you do not know, I taught you, I did not teach you, I don't care. If there is a problem, I want you to think in such a way that you will try finding a solution towards it. If I tell you the problem, if I only give you the solution, what are you doing? What am I teaching? Nothing, right? You got my point?
Yes.
That shouldn't be the case. I want you to learn, practice, experience like you're in a project. Got it right?
Got it.
All right. So in the tomorrow's session onward, meaning from tomorrow onwards, I will make you understand what is there in SAP FICO and what we are going to actually do, how you are going to learn FICO, and all the other points that you are having, I will be explaining you from tomorrow onward. We are going to have demo sessions until, let's say, until 13, I'll take the demo sessions, maybe until 13 or 14. Till 13 or 14, we will have the demo sessions wherein I will make you understand many things about SAP FICO. I will answer to all the doubts, questions, confusions, whatever you have, because I will be having a Q&A sessions, which I will not record. Q&A sessions I will not record so that you are free to ask any question that you have. You may be having some personal doubt, right? Agree? Some
Yes.
kind of XYZ doubts, maybe from your company or whatever. You are free to ask any doubt that you have without any fear, because the session itself will not be recorded. And anywhere you have your personal information, I will not upload it anywhere. You don't need to worry about it. The way you respect your privacy, I give more respect to your privacy. That is where you would have seen I never post anywhere that somebody got a job. Have you seen anything from me anywhere telling somebody got job?
No.
No, sir.
I will never post it anywhere. I will never tell even in the batch also. You got the job. You have to share it if you want to share. I have no right to share that you got job, right?
Correct.
I'm not going to share. Even if you tell me, it will be with me only. I will only tell you congratulations. That's it. I'll not tell that he got job. Your job should not be my publicity stunt, right? You got my point?
Yes.
You don't need to worry about it. Okay. So till 14th, we are going to have the demo sessions. From 15th July onward, our regular classes will begin.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
What sir,
would be the
sir,
time of
sir,
demo session?
7 o'clock.
7
7
p.m.
to
is it?
8. 7 a.m. Indian time, not p.m.
AM, okay.
7 a.m. Indian time. Even our batch time is also 7 a.m. Indian time till 8:30. 1.5 hour session will be there every day. Depending on the topic, it might go sometimes to 2 hours. Depending on the topic, because certain topics we cannot break. If I break certain topics, tomorrow you will not understand, right? You'll miss that flow. Otherwise, 1.5 hour is more than enough, and I will make sure whatever you need to understand, only that I'll make you understand and then practice. Clear?
Clear.
And we are going to have Q&A sessions. No need to worry about it. Any doubt that you have, every question that you have, I will answer all your questions. Only then I'll close the demo sessions. All right, let me stop the recording.